the most part, you can do whatever you want as long as it's approved, it's within the zoning rules, or it gets approved at the committee of adjustment. There are many neighborhoods in Toronto that are not protected by heritage. And you can change the front of your house. You can make your house, knock the front off, make it a big square box with windows all over it. For the most part, people don't do that because they respect the heritage and the architecture in that neighborhood. But there are certainly exceptions. In a situation where your home is protected, and it might be a designated home for historical reasons, or it might be an entire neighborhood like Rosedale, for example, where the Toronto Heritage Society does not allow for any changes to the facade of the house or anything that can be seen from the street. So it's a fine line, and it's a process. Yet one more thing that has to be negotiated and discussed with the Heritage Department adds months and months and months to the process for getting approvals. However, for the most part, you can assume if you've got a heritage protected home, you can do whatever you want to the back of it that's not seen by the street. You can do a modern addition. You can fill the whole back of it up with windows. You can do all sorts of things, but generally on the sides of the house and the front of the house that can be seen from the street, you're quite restricted in what you can do.